Today I bought a lottery. Who can check what we won?
Can I check?
Scratch the protective coating. Find out the prize.
So we won. Hooray! It is Thailand.
Hippo's family won a wonderful trip. It's time to go.
First, you need to pack things into suitcases for travel. That is Hippo's Panama. Put the swimsuit in Hippo's bag. Pack the camera in Dad's bag. Pack the shorts in Jay's bag. This is Dad's alarm clock. Put the shoes in Mother's bag. Pack the laptop in Mom's bag. Pack all the passports in Dad's bag. Put the necklace in Mother's bag. This is Mother's handbag. This is Dad's newspaper. This is Hippo's umbrella. Put the coloring pens in Hippo's bag. Put the shovel in Jay's bag. It is so funny to prepare to travel.
Dad drives to the airport.
Here we are. We hurried so much that I've forgotten to buy souvenirs. We are so lucky to have this shop on our way.
Great choice. You can choose anything you want from this shelf. Great choice. You can choose anything you want from this shelf. Great choice. You can choose anything you want from this shelf. Great choice. You can choose anything you want from this shelf. Pay for goods, please. Those flying with the flight 137, go to the departure gates, please.
Oh look, there's our plane. Hurry up to find our seats. Now, let's go together to the departure control zone. I think this thing is suspicious. Give it to me for inspection. The ball.
Put the thing on the table for verification.
I think this thing is suspicious. Give it to me for inspection. The shovel.
Put the thing on the table for verification.
I think this thing is suspicious. Give it to me for inspection. The handbag.
Put the thing on the table for verification.
I think this thing is suspicious. Give it to me for inspection. The sunglasses. Aha! I found a stowaway.
Put the thing on the table for verification. Airport checks are passed. All aboard!
Dear passenger, find your seat, please. Your seat is violet. Come in, please. Have a good flight. Your seat is blue. Come in, please. Have a good flight. Your seat is green. Come in, please. Have a good flight. Your seat is orange. Come in, please. Have a good flight. Your seat is yellow. Come in, please. Have a good flight. Your seat is dark blue. Come in, please. Have a good flight. Wonderful. All passengers are on their seats. Dear passengers, we are happy to welcome you on board. Please listen carefully to the following announcement for your own safety. Please fasten your seatbelts for maximum security. Turn off all electronic devices. Smoking is prohibited throughout the flight. Listen carefully to the stewardess' orders and you are welcome to ask her if you have any questions. Have a good flight. Please fasten your seatbelts for maximum security. This passenger has been already fastened. This passenger has been already fastened. This passenger has been already fastened. This Dear passenger has been already ready to take off. Have a good flight.
Turn on the batteries. Check the power supply. Power supply is checked. Check the communication with dispatcher.
I can hear you very well.
Communication is checked. Check hydraulics. Hydraulics is checked. Turn on the fuel oil pumps. Check the fuel containers. Pumps are checked. Containers are checked. Check elevating rudders. Elevating rudders are checked. Check the ailerons. Ailerons are checked. Check the rudder. Rudder is ready. Turn on all the engines. First engine is ready. Fourth engine is ready. Pre-flight check is done. Ask for the allowance to take off. Control tower, flight 137 is ready to take off.
Board 137, you can take off now. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Let's take off. Raise the engine thrust. Engine thrust is maximum now.
Passengers, now you can unfasten your seatbelts. Have a good flight. You can also order drinks, starters, and desserts. The passenger is served. Your order is fulfilled. You are welcome.
I want a bottle of mineral water.
Your order is fulfilled. You are welcome.
I want a maze.
You are welcome. Dear passengers, thank you for using our airline company. Have a good flight. The passenger is happy.
Dear stewardess, could I ask you something? Give me, please, a glass of milk.
The passenger is happy.
Dear stewardess, can you come here for a minute? I want a hamburger.
The passenger is happy.
Dear stewardess, could I ask you something? I want a doll.
The passenger is happy.
Hello, get through passport control. Your passport, please. Everything is alright. Go ahead, please. Your passport, please. Everything is alright. Go ahead, please. Your passport, please. Everything is alright. Go ahead, please. Your passport, please. Everything is alright. Go ahead, please.
So we arrived. It's time to pick up our bags. Hooray! We'll have a great holiday. Tap the screen to land the plane. Don't stop! Tap many times! Don't stop! Tap many times! Overcome obstacles. Slide up and down to move. We can do this! Tap the screen to land the plane. Don't stop! Tap many times! Overcome obstacles. Slide up and down to move. We can do this!